Dear students, today we will discuss what is the Margon model of IHRM. See, Margon model is based on few HR activities and how types of employees and different country orientations. Like if we, you can see here in this diagram that this figure is divided into three different parts. One is showing the type of employees who are working in the IHRM. Another one are the different activities which are conducted by the HR persons in international human resource management, and the different types of countries involved in IHRM. So let's discuss with starting with the HR activities. Like, see, HR activities are divided into procure, allocate, and utilize. See, procure means here how you are procuring the human resource, how you are recruiting them, what type of selection procedure you are taking care of, how you are selecting the expatriates for foreign assignments. So that is the procurement. Now, how you allocate them, how you assign them the job, how you assign them the overseas operational jobs, and then how you utilize them. Utilization here comes with the human international human resource planning. Now we have different types of employees. We have SCN, PCNs, and TCNs. See, SCNs are the host country nationals. Host country nationals, like those who, the country who are having their headquarter, the country's orientation is here. Now, such employees who belong to the parent country, the host country are called as SCNs. Means, like, say, suppose take an example, there is a company who is originated from India, but that company is having subsidiaries in overseas, say Japan, or you can say in America. So the employees, if the employees who are working in that country, say in Japan or America, and who are of the same country zone, say people of America or Japan working in the Indian countries organization at their host country. So America and Japan will be the host country, and the employees of that are SCNs. Now, moving to the another type of employees, we have parent country nationals. See, parent country nationals, like those employees who belongs to the company originated from, and when they are the parent country nationals. Then the third country nationals, like neither they belong to the host country, neither they belongs to the parent country, they are from some other countries. Like, take an example, say suppose India, the company is originated from India, and it has its subsidiary in America, but in that subsidiary we have employed employees from Japan, or we have employees from Bangladesh. So these employees are known as third country nationals. Now we have host, home, and other countries. Similarly, host country, that country where we have the subsidiaries. Home country is the parent country, and the other country is that we neither we have the operationals working there, nor the headquarter, but some other countries. Hope the model is clear.